Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 16, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. Column G, column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 7th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column A, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 6th row and 5th row, column A, we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come, this 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd grade. Column B, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 3rd grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 1st row, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 8, 9. Column F, we have 2, 3, 8. The 3 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 1st row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, 8th row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 6. 8th row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. Column F, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, column G, 8th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, column I, we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 and 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 3rd row, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. 9th row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 8. So it can't come this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column H and 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 7. 5th row, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column H, 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 4th row, we have 3. So So 3 can't come, this cell 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column A, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Third row we have 3, so 3 can't come, this cell 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. First row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 8. First grid, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. First grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come, this cell 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Fifth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Fourth row, we have 8. So it can't come this late, it is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth row, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 8th grade. At 7th row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.